Hi, I'm Emma Andrews. Today we're gonna paint these. I'm someone that loves indoor plants. On Sunday, I spent a good time repotting and cleaning my plants. And then I thought, I haven't tried botanicals. Oh, yes, once. It was. Anyway, we're gonna be painting some wild flowers. Which means there's no drawing. For today's materials, I'm gonna be using my 3/4 inch flat and my number 12 round. As for my paints, I'm gonna be using my red, yellow ochre, 2 blues, burnt umber and Payne's grey. I'm gonna be also using a brown ink and craft knife. Then off we go. I'm wetting my paper with a spray bottle, but do not saturate. I'm gonna plug in some yellow and red. You know what? Let's just see how it plays out. Just be bold and brave. All of it is being done while everything is still wet, so you need to work fast. And let the watercolor do its own thing. Some random splats. I'm painting in some stalks. This is a regular table salt poured into my hands. Lightly sprinkle around the edges. Try individual granules. With the end of my brush, I'm scoring into the paper, so it gives it a suggestion of grass and stalks. I'm gonna be doing some experiment with my ink. Hopefully I can see bleeding. I'm lifting up some paint here and there. And another random splat. And then let it dry. I was expecting feathery speckles where I sprinkled table salt, but I didn't see it at all, so I carried out my own experiment. I'm adding a second layer with thicker paint. Then again, a bit of table salt, and I try to sprinkle individual granules rather than clumps of salt. Some greens into the top of stalks, and some more splats with the green. As you saw, I sprayed my paper with a spray bottle because I wanted to keep my paints moving. Then I'm softening some hard edges with clean water. Dropping in my purple mix. I'm also adding some blue. Again, a bit of table salt. Some random splats with my red. I'm painting in seed pot with my Payne's grey, and some stalks as well with my green. I thought some of the edges were too hard, so I'm lifting out with clean water. I don't want anything to look too defined. And again, some splats into the sky area. Okay, I have it dry completely and see the feathery speckles. It's come out really beautiful. I'm adding some stalks with my green. As I've noticed a few hard edges, I'm gonna soften with damp tissue. I'm gonna rub away at the surface. Finally, with a craft scalpel, scratch away for grasses and seed heads. We are done. It's loose and somewhat expressive. So give it a go and let me know how you got on. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, and please subscribe if you haven't already and leave a comment. I hope to see you again in my next video. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.